They call it the heartbreak grape, delicate, unpredictable, but absolutely irresistible. Never order Pinot Noir if you don't know these. Pinot Noir originates from Burgundy, France, and is one of the oldest cultivated grape varieties. It's a diva in the vineyard, sensitive to climate and soil, but rewards winemakers with elegance and complexity. You'll also find amazing Pinot Noir from the United States, New Zealand, and Germany. Each region gives it a unique twist. This grape is thin-skinned, which means less tannin but high acidity, giving it a smooth, silky feel. It's often aged in oak barrels, adding those subtle, earthy and vanilla notes. Pinot Noir is light-bodied but packed with flavors. Think strawberries, cherries, and raspberries with hints of earth and spice. It's the perfect balance between fruity and sophisticated. Pinot Noir pairs like a dream. It's fantastic with roasted duck, grilled salmon, mushroom dishes, and soft cheeses like brie. Light, elegant, and versatile. Ever wondered why Pinot Noir is the go-to wine for date nights? It's smooth, romantic, and never too heavy. The real question is, what's your go-to wine? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in wine and how to pair it perfectly, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to explore more wines, check out the video on screen right now.